Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you another Motorola release. I'm talking about the Moto G57 Power 5G, another model from Motorola that has just been launched on the market. At least here in Europe, where I managed to rush out and buy it so I could show it to you. I don't know when or even if this device will come to Brazil, and I have no idea about the release date either. Alright guys, as soon as it's available, I'll leave the link here in the video description, and there will also be a link showing up here on the screen during the video while it's not available yet, unfortunately. And the only way for you to get a device like this one I'm holding is by joining the giveaway using the very important person group link either on WhatsApp or Telegram, which I'll leave here in the video description. Remember, the shipping and fees for this device will be paid directly by me. For the winner, you don't have to worry about anything else except sitting at home and waiting for the device to arrive. And come on guys, leave a like so you don't forget. Then check your subscription to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and share it as well to help us out, alright? Now let's get to our unboxing with an initial review and first impressions of another Motorola release, the Moto G57 Power 5G. Let's go to the video, let's do this. Starting the unboxing, it's a white box with the Motorola logo and the model highlighted. On the side, we have the International Mobile Equipment Identity Codes and the product version. And on the back, the smartphone model, the available colors for it, and also its highlights, which are the 7000 mAh battery and the 50 megapixel camera. Opening the box, we immediately see the smartphone. And it already comes with a blue case on it, matching the color of the device, with a very smooth texture as well, making it comfortable to hold, a nice case. Below it, we have a cover with a USB Type-C cable on both ends, an ejector pin, a quick start guide, safety information, and an energy efficiency label. And as you already know, the version sold here in Europe doesn't come with a charger in the box. But the version that's sold in Brazil, if it arrives, if it's sold there, will come with a 30-watt charger in the box. Now with the device already in hand and fully set up, we have a 6.72-inch in-plane switching liquid crystal display screen with a 120Hz refresh rate and a maximum brightness of 1050 nits. It has a very good grip, weighing 210.7 grams and 8.6 millimeters thick. This blue color is beautiful and deserves a nice touch. On the right back, you'll find the volume buttons and the power button with a fingerprint reader. On the top, there's a microphone and a noise reducer. On the left side, there's a slot for the SIM card. And on the bottom, there's a 3.5mm headphone jack, a microphone, a USB Type-C port, and a speaker. Let's start by talking about artificial intelligence. It doesn't come with any native AI installed. We only have Gemini, Perplexity, and Copilot, which come pre-installed from the factory. And it also has features for photo editing directly through the Google Photos app. As for the battery, like I already told you, we have a 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery according to the tests I performed. You can see it on the screen, and I dare say it lasts all day without any problem. It will give you 9 to 10 hours of screen time easily. And now let's move on to the processor test. Snapdragon 6 S Gen 4. Nanometers reaching 822,000 points in Antutu. A very good score, no doubt about it. It heated up to 33 degrees maximum temperature and lost 5% battery. No doubt, it will run everything you need without any difficulty. Of course, in very heavy, demanding games, you might not be able to run them at maximum graphics. But it's a device that will serve you very well without any difficulty. Alright, now let's actually play a little bit of Call of Duty Mobile with it so you can see in practice as you're seeing there on the screen. It doesn't allow you to set all the graphics to the maximum, okay, but still, it's on high graphics. Let's see it running here. You can see that it's a good processor, it's running smoothly, running fluidly without any problems. Alright guys, like I told you, it's a good processor. It's a bit better than the entry-level devices on the market like the Galaxy A07, the Poco C85, and the Redmi 15. It's a device with a somewhat better processor. It comes with IP64 certification against water splashes and has military protection standard 810H with standing drops of up to 1.20 meters without damaging the device. As for the operating system, we have a stock Android running on the device with Android 16. We also have near-field communication connectivity for making contactless payments and Android Auto. The fingerprint unlock on the side and facial unlock work well. They're not very fast, but they're satisfactory. And there are 3 versions of this guy here. 8 GB of RAM with 128 GB, 8 GB with 256 GB, or 12 GB with 256 GB. And it only accepts one 5G nano SIM card, doesn't have memory expansion, and also has eSIM connectivity. Now let's go to its audio and video test. Let's go guys, audio and video test. Volume at maximum here on the Moto G57 Power Advanced Quality 1440p. I'm gonna turn the brightness up to the maximum here. There we go, now it's good. And let's rotate the screen, apply the pinch, and there you have it for you. stereo sound.
I feel my heart embrace, so catch me. Stereo sound.
You can see the colors there. Cool. Very good. The audio quality, guys, I thought it was good. Dolby Atmos delivering very good sound. The screen, I think, lacked a bit of brightness. 1050 nits is a bit weak. Maybe under the sun, you'll have a bit of trouble seeing the screen at 100%, but it's a good screen. It's a beautiful screen too. Even though it's an in-plane switching liquid crystal display, I think it could use a bit more brightness. And now let's move on to the cameras. Starting with the front one, we have an 8 megapixel camera recording at 2K 1440p 30 FPS. Let's take photos and videos with the front camera now. And now here, guys, the front camera of the Moto G57 Power, also recording at 2K 30 FPS. Walking a bit to show the stabilization. I noticed that it crops the image, it zooms in quite a bit. You don't have a very wide lens here, at least on the front camera. Walking a little. Look at this, how it is. It's crowded. Look at the water level. It's there so you can get an idea of the audio capture and stabilization. It also closed. Be careful, it's starting to rain again here. Here it's sunny, but there's rain all the time. But that's how it is. Front camera, guys, Moto G57 Power, awesome, guys. Even though it doesn't record in 4K, I thought the quality was good. The weather isn't helping. It doesn't stop raining here for even a second, not even for a day. We don't get a break here. The rain doesn't give us a break. But anyway, we managed to do a pretty basic test there. But I thought the camera was good. It's a pretty decent camera in line with the device. And now let's look at the back, which has two cameras. A main one with 50 megapixels and an 8 megapixel ultra wide, also recording at 2K 30 FPS. Let's take some photos and videos with its rear cameras. Music. And here we are, guys, rear camera of the Moto G57 Power, recording at 2K 30 FPS maximum resolution. And look at this, how it is. It's packed, guys. I always walk around here, over there. I pass by here, then I come this way. I walk under the arch here. Look at where the water is. Look at how high it is, because here it just rains. It only rains now. It stopped for a moment between one cloud and another. It stopped raining. I'll run over there, but it'll come back soon. Look at that little house. Let's see, let's take the opportunity to test the zoom here 6 times, half a dozen. Now let's go back and open the wide angle as well. I'm at 0.5x now. Let's put it at 1x and let's walk so we can see the stabilization. And there it is for you guys. Good camera, nice quality, good resolution, 2K 30. It's a shame it doesn't record at 60 FPS or in 4K either. But anyway, it's a nice quality and there it is for you. Let's check the focus. Quick focus. Really cool, awesome. Rear camera, Moto G57 Power. Guys, once again, I found the result very similar to the front camera. They're good cameras, not exceptional, excellent, or amazing, but they'll give you a good result. I want you to comment down below what you thought of its front and rear cameras. And now let's go to our final summary with positive and negative points, in my opinion, starting with the positive points. Its battery is amazing, really good. The device's certifications are also excellent, near field communication connection, and the stereo sound also delivers good quality. I'll list the rear cameras as a positive and mention the front camera as a negative since it could be better. They are very similar, but I think the front camera could use a bit more quality. The processor could also be a bit more powerful, and its charger as well. 30 watts is too little for it. But anyway, I want to know your opinion. Share your thoughts on this launch and device in the comments. If you liked the video, remember to leave a like before leaving. Check your subscription here on the channel and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any updates. And share this video with that friend of yours who's a Motorola fanatic. They're going to enjoy it. They're going to like this video here. All right, that's it, guys. We're in this together. Thank you very much, everyone. God bless you. A big hug and see you next time. Thanks. I'm out.